I know some biddies in Cali, they all be calling me daddy. I know some hoes out in Texas, they all be showing affection.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, do yourself a favor, subscribe, hit that bell notification, come join the team because we get in baddies over here. All right, today's video is another question for one of you guys. You guys are funny with these questions because this got me cracking up. I'm not gonna lie to you. Have y'all been watching the videos at all? That's what I'm trying to figure out, because I feel like for you to ask me a question like this, you ain't been watching the videos. You probably have. You just like went in one ear and out the other, and you was like, forget it. You know what? I'm just do my own thing. I'm gonna message him and just see if he goes against everything he been talking about. Hey, Mystic, I got a question. She says she wants to focus on herself now, but I know she's still in love with me. But I'm afraid in the meantime, when both of us do focus on ourselves, she'll be texting other guys out there, or maybe go out with other guys out there. Do I have to make a move before that? And if I have to, what move do I need to do? Yes, you need to make a move, okay? The move you need to make is from beta to alpha. That's the only move you need to make, bruh. I don't know what you were thinking. Talk about, oh, I know she's still in love with me. She's still in love with me. You know, we're gonna focus on ourselves and we're just gonna but then like, what if she like talking to another guy and like, you know, what if she actually goes and hangs out with another guy? You know, look, I'm sorry, I don't mean to be making fun. I do mean it. Because if I don't, it won't get through to you. You sound weak, you sound like Beta Billy. What would Alpha Andy do? That's the question you need to ask yourself when you're asking me these type of questions. What would Alpha Andy do? Would he be like, you know, I really just wonder, it's getting late. She's probably not focused on herself. She's probably just out there, you know, enjoying her life and, you know, dating other guys and talking to them and probably getting kissed and maybe more. Bro, who cares? Who cares? Obviously you care. But the thing is, that's what's messing you up. As soon as you start to think, okay, what do I need to do? I need to chase her. That's when she gonna replace you. If she wasn't already thinking about talking to other guys, which she probably already is, that's the mindset you already have to have, is she's probably getting entertained by other dudes. It's a fact. But if you say she loves you, that doesn't mean that she's super interested in these dudes. They're just distractions, just to feed her ego and give her validation and attention. Women are gonna want that at all times. It doesn't mean they're emotionally invested in the person. So you gotta get over that. Yeah, they're gonna have friends, you know? And if you're not secure enough to handle that, you shouldn't be in a relationship. You shouldn't even be pursuing a woman. You really need to be focused on yourself like you say you need to be. How are you talking about, yeah, I'm gonna be focused on myself, she's gonna be focused on myself, but you talking about all these things that relate to her and what she got going on? That doesn't sound like you focus on yourself. But if you were to make a move and, you know, hit her up and be like, hey, just checking up on you, or even be like, oh, we not going, you trying to be slick, hey, we ain't gonna be talking to other people, right, while we focus on ourselves. You're showing you're weak, you're showing you're needy, you're desperate. You can't live without someone in your life. You know, it doesn't even show her that, oh, I can't live without you. It just shows that you can't live without someone, you know? You can't live without someone else validating your worth. You can't stand on your own. That shows weakness. And women don't like that. So guess what she gonna do? She gonna replace you with a quickness. She want Alpha Andy, the one over here that don't even want her. That's not worried if she's talking to other dudes. She wants him to be worried, but the reason she likes him, the reason she's, you know, magnetically attracted, might be the cologne, but drawn to him is because he's not pressed on her. He's not worried about anything but himself. You gotta be selfish. That's what you gotta do. You gotta be selfish and realize you can't rely or control other people. That's what you're trying to do. You're trying to control the situation. What move do I have to make? The move you got to make is falling back. The move you got to make is focusing on yourself, because when you focus on you, the women will too. But y'all just think of it as a slogan. Y'all think that it's a game. Y'all think, oh, it's a catchy little catchphrase, Mystic. I like that. Got the wink at the end. Maybe I need to take out the wink at the end. Maybe that's what I need to do. Cause y'all think it's sweet over here. It ain't, bruh. You ain't focused on yourself. Like, if you were so 100% just what's the word I'm looking for? Engulfed. Yeah, engulfed. That means like really into it, right? Into everything that you're trying to accomplish in life. I promise you, you will forget about her. You will. And she'll hit you up and you'll be like, whoa, I done forgot about her. And you're not even gonna care that much. You might smile. Of course, it's gonna feel good. You're gonna be like, oh, all right, cool, yeah. Of course, it feels good. We're not here to lie in front like, man, I don't care at all, 0%. It's okay to care. It's okay to have feelings. It's okay to have emotions, but it's about being able to control your emotions. It's being bigger than your emotions. It's being a man and taking care of business and not falling victim and being weak and controlled by your emotions to make you do things that you shouldn't be doing. Go directions you shouldn't be going. So find out what it is you need to accomplish in your life, what it is that you're slacking off on, what it is that you haven't achieved yet. Because if you were where you wanted to be in life, I promise you, you would not be overthinking this situation and thinking about moves that you need to make. The moves you need to make is get the cake, get the paper, get the bread. The rest gonna come. She gonna come back, better women are gonna come around. And even if she doesn't come back, who cares? Cares. The problem is a lot of you guys think that you need women in your life to like make you happy, make you feel a way. And I know we all want to have companionship. I get it. I understand. That's why this channel even exists, right? I understand that. But there's a difference between wanting it and having it as an addition to your life and making it the main focus, okay? Things just need to happen naturally. The moment you try to control it and try to figure out, well, if someone leaves me, I have to manipulate the situation, is the moment it's not gonna work. You chase, she replace. Simple as that. I want you guys to be successful women, you know, but I also want you guys to be successful in life in general. Because if you winning in life, best believe you winning with women, okay? Example being Floyd Mayweather Jr. I just brought this up because I was watching some of his videos. Yeah, I am definitely gonna watch the Logan Paul Mayweather. Clearly, Logan Paul is nowhere near going to win. Obviously, we all know that. It's a money play. But that's not the point. The point is, I was watching videos and the level of focus to be the best, unparalleled. And the amount of women that are attracted to that success and that level, unparalleled. You know what I'm saying? They're gravitated towards it. They're not gravitated towards Mayweather not focused on himself or his purpose and him chasing them, pursuing them. I don't really know any super successful person that does that. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, that's any successful person. That was just one example I gave you. You can look at anybody high up there. They're super focused on what, you know, they need to accomplish and all that, and all the women, they'll be there. That's it. All right, you guys. Yeah, if you like this video, please do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button down below, subscribe to the channel, and download Winning with Women down below. And until next time, really mean it. I'm gonna keep the winking. You know what? I'm not even gonna keep it. Focus on you, and the women will too.
I know some biddies in Cali, they all be calling me daddy. I know some hoes out in Texas,